Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Well, do you ever, when you go out to a restaurant, order the mozzarella sticks? Hot, cheesy mozzarella sticks, deep fried? Well, let me tell you, you don't have to go out to get them. You can make them at home. They're so easy. And I'm gonna show you how to make them better than you get them in the restaurant. You will love these. Not only are we gonna do mozzarella sticks, but we're gonna do them with a twist. We're gonna do sharp cheddar cheese. Oh man, are these things delicious. We're gonna do them with Uncle Steve's Shake, South Texas Red. It's got this to it. So hang tight. Here's what we got. We got 2 blocks of cheese. A block, this is 1 pound each, of mozzarella and sharp cheddar, all right? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take and slice these in about 1-inch squares. And it's right now the whole thickness of the block of cheese. We're going to slice it this way. All right, that gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks of cheese. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn these, let me move that one out of the way. We're going to turn them sideways and we're going to cut them in half. Now that's cutting the thickness in half to make our sticks. All right, so that gave us 14 sticks. All right, I'm gonna take and spread them out on this wire rack, just like this. I want a little bit of room between them. All right, there we go. That's the mozzarella. I'm gonna do the cheddar exactly the same way. Okay. That gives us 14 sticks of cheddar. That gave me 28 sticks. All right, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it on this rack in the freezer. Now, do you have to do that? Not really, but I suggest you do. This makes this a whole lot easier. It keeps the cheese from oozing out when you fry them. So you want at least a very minimum of 2 hours. You can do as much as overnight or anywhere between. So let's put them in the freezer. I'll bring you back after they've had time to chill off real good. All right, here we go. These have been in the freezer for 7 hours, okay? That's almost like overnight. In the small bowl, I'm gonna crack 2 eggs and I'm gonna put just a little bit buttermilk, just enough to see really. And then I'm gonna beat these up. Stir them up real fine. There we go. That's gonna make my egg wash. Good enough. All right, I've got breadcrumbs. I've got self-rising flour. I'm gonna add to the self-rising flour about 2 tablespoons of what else? Uncle Steve's Shake. This is South Texas Red. Oh my goodness, this is good stuff. And I'm gonna stir it in. And I wanna get it good and mixed up. All right, so here we go. Take the piece of cheese, and drop it down with my dry hand. I'm gonna get it nice and coated. Shake it off and put it down in the egg. Back in the flour. Back in the egg wash. Drop it down in the breadcrumbs. Back in the egg wash. And then we're going to take it, set it back on this rack. Now I'm going to do every one of these the same way. Okay, we got our oil up to temp. Let's drop a few of these in. And while those are browning, let's just keep on going. Okay, well, let's start on the cheddar cheese. There's the first one. Okay, well, here we go. My favorite part. It's done. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. I'm going in. I let it cool off enough. That's mozzarella. Let's try this one. This is cheddar cheese. You can tell where the cheese oozed out on that one a little bit. Oh my goodness. I like cheddar cheese better. Delicious. Well, you see how easy that was? The Uncle Steve's South Texas Red gives it just a little bit of kick in that crust. Man, is that good stuff. Thanks for sticking around. Appreciate it. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side? I'll have another video just for you over here. Until next time, hang tight.